Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xano backend to scale your no-code mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Xano backend, start by creating a Xano account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Xano website and click on the Sign Up button. Once you're logged in, create a new workspace by clicking on the New Workspace button. Choose a name for your workspace that reflects your project. After your workspace is created, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Next, click on the API tab located in the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you can create a new API group to organize your backend endpoints. Click on the Add API Group button and name it according to your app's functionality. Now, let's create our first API endpoint by selecting the API group you just created. Click on the Add API Endpoint button to start setting it up. Choose the request type that fits your needs, such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. Enter a name for the endpoint that clearly describes its function. In the endpoint configuration, define the input parameter. For each parameter, specify the type and whether it is required. Click on the Add button to include these parameters in your endpoint. Next, you'll define what actions the endpoint will perform once it receives a request. Click on the Actions tab to set up the backend logic for your endpoint. Here, you can add database queries, execute functions, or connect to external APIs. To manage your database, navigate to the Database tab on the left menu. Create a new database by clicking on the New Table button. Define the fields for your table according to the data structure you need. Make sure to specify the data types for each field accurately. Once your table is created, you can add some sample data to test your setup. Return to the API endpoint you were configuring and finalize your actions. Make sure to test the endpoint by using the built-in API tester in Xano. Enter sample data and click the Test button to see if it performs as expected. If everything is functioning correctly, you can now integrate this API endpoint with your mobile app. In your app development platform, use the endpoint URL generated by Xano in your requests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.